Okay.
Hilo's just like hopping up and down.
All right. They haven't changed. It's just all exhaling.
Hey guys!
And Achilles still can run away. I'm surprised they still play so well together. I was like thinking like if they didn't know each other as puppies, I bet they wouldn't play like this. But they're just like, oh, it's you, okay. He'd have to play like this anyway.
Yeah, it's really bizarre.
Go get him, Hilo. Go get him, Hilo. Oh God.
So funny. So funny. I feel like he's always
Oh, you are just covered in slobber.
That's all your dog. That's not mine.
Oh yeah, no. My dog just drinks slobber.
I can't believe that Hilo's like just as fast as Achilles.
For how much smaller he is?
Yeah.
Achilles has a pretty good turning radius too.
They both have ADD.
I'd absolutely love like a squirrel just drop.
That's how I was just saying, like, I'm waiting for squirrels.
Accidentally falls in. Oh my God. Oh my God.
This is epic.
Hilo, lay off the ears.